I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to find what email account is associated with your Spotify account in both the Spotify mobile and desktop apps. Maybe you feel like you're not getting important communications from Spotify regarding your billing, updates to Spotify policies, or something else. Or maybe you want to add a child Spotify account to a family plan and you need to know what email address was used to sign up for their account. No matter the reason, Spotify makes it relatively easy to find what email account is associated with your Spotify account in both the Spotify mobile and desktop apps. First, let's walk through the steps to find the email account associated with your Spotify account using the Spotify mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Step 1. Open the Spotify mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. You'll land on your Spotify home screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon at the top of the screen. You'll land on the settings page. Step 3. Tap Account. The account screen is shown where you'll see the email account associated with your Spotify account. You can go through the process to change the email associated with your Spotify account by tapping Edit. Next, let's walk through the steps to find the email account associated with your Spotify account using the Spotify desktop app. Step 1. Launch the Spotify desktop app. You'll land on your Spotify home screen. Step 2. Click your profile icon at the top of the screen to open a drop-down menu, and then click Account in this menu. A web browser will open and ask you to confirm your Spotify account. Step 3. Choose your Spotify account or log into your Spotify account if necessary. You'll land on your Spotify account screen. Step 4. Navigate to the Profile section and then find Email in this section. This is the email account associated with your Spotify account. You can go through the process to change the email associated with your Spotify account by clicking Edit Profile. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.